Hello friends, I am Rahul Gavande. Dear friends, in last video we studied question number 1 of practice set 3.6. Now in this video we are going to study question number 2 of factorization. Question is factorize the following polynomials. Example number 1. Example number 1 is x square minus x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus x plus 12. This example or this expression is not a quadratic. We have to convert this into the quadratic. If you observe, here you see x square minus x and here is also x square minus x. First of all, we have to put x square minus x is equal to any other variable. Any other. Let x square minus x is equal to, I write a. Now in given equation you put this bracket is equal to a. X square minus x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus x plus 12. Now put this bracket is equal to a here and here. Now bracket is equal to a and bracket square means a square minus 8 as it is. This bracket is equal to a again plus 12 and now this becomes quadratic. Now we have to factorize it. Product of first and last. First is 1, last is 12. Then 1 into 12, 1 into 12, 12. And factors of 12 now. Which are correct factors? Let's see all. 12 ones are 12. After that 6 twos are 12. After that 4 threes are 12. Finish. These are the pairs. Okay. Now middle term sign. Sign of middle term give to the bigger factor. Means minus. Middle term sign is minus. Give to bigger factor. Minus. Now product is positive. If product is positive, then sign of the smaller will be same to that of the bigger. Same. If product is negative, then opposite. If product is positive, same sign. Now same sign means again negative is equal to. Now let's add them. Minus 13. Here addition minus 8. Here addition minus 7. What is our middle term? Our middle term is minus 8. That's why this is the correct pair of factors. What is variable now here? Variable is a. Therefore here a, and that's it. Is equal to. Now we are solving here. A square, first term as it is, replace this by these two. In place of middle, put these two factors. Minus 6a, minus 2a, plus 12 as it is. After that grouping, common from here a, in bracket uncommon a minus 6, common from here minus 2, in bracket uncommon a minus 6. Sign will change because out of bracket minus is here, that's why this sign will change, opposite. Now here after taking common, one bracket is again same, common bracket. What is common bracket? A minus 6 is common bracket and uncommon a minus 2. But that is not our solution because variable in the example is x. That's why we have to resum. Resum means we have to put value of a again x square minus x. That is called resubstitution. We want the answer in the form of x, not in a. Therefore, put a is equal to again x square minus x here. X square minus x and this minus 6 as it is. Second also same, x square minus x minus 2. And again we have to solve both. And then we get answer, means factors. Is equal to. Now here minus 6, factors of 6 and one difference, 3 twos are. 3 twos are 6. Correct na? Factors you see here. Factors of minus 6. 3 twos are. Middle term minus product is negative, opposite. Then what is here subtraction? Minus 1. These are the factors. Minus 3 plus 2. Then right here x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. First of this. Same way here also. This I write here down. Product last 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Then here I explain minus 2. Factors of 2, 2 ones are. Middle term sign minus 1. Okay. Product is negative, opposite. Right? Minus 2 plus we get minus 1. These are the factors. Then x square minus 2x minus plus 1x minus 2. This is second bracket. Here after factorization again common we have to take. Common from here, common from here. What is common in this pair? X in bracket, uncommon x minus 3 plus what is common here? 2 and 6, 2 common in bracket x minus 3. I do here box bracket. This is first. Second I write here. Here also common. What is common in them? X in bracket. What is uncommon? X minus 2. What is common here? Plus 1. When we write plus 1 common, then terms will be as it is. X minus 2 is equal to, now common bracket x minus 3, uncommon bracket x plus 2. In this common bracket x minus 2, uncommon x plus 1. And these are the factors of that polynomial now. Example number 2. X minus 5 bracket square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24 is equal to, now here you see x minus 5, here is 5 and here is 25. First take common from this. We can take common. X minus 5 bracket square as it is minus common from them 5 in bracket. What is uncommon then? X minus 5 minus 24. And now here we get same bracket. We have to put this bracket is equal to another variable now. Put x minus 5 is equal to a, another variable. If we put a here, then what do we get? A square minus 5a minus 24. And this we have to solve as a quadratic. First is 1 multiplied by last is minus 24. Product is minus 24. Now factors of 24. 24 ones are 12 twos are 8 threes are 6 fours are, because correct pair we can write, we can, but if we don't know we have to find like this. These are all factors of 24. Middle term sign minus, give middle term sign to the bigger factor. Bigger factor is this, bigger factor. Product is negative. If product is negative, sign of the smaller will be opposite of this. If product is positive, same sign here. If product is opposite negative, then opposite sign here. Opposite means plus. Now let's add them. What is the correct pair? We have to find. That's why minus 23 here, minus 10, minus 5, minus 2. What is our middle term? Our middle term is 5. That's why this pair is the correct. What is variable? A. Here A and here A. We have to replace middle term by these two factors. A square minus 8a plus 3a. See, we replace 5a by these two. Minus 24 as it is. Now grouping. A common, After grouping, common out. A common, a minus 8 plus 3 common, a minus 8. What is common bracket? A minus 8. What is uncommon? A plus 3. But this is not our answer. We want the answer or factors in terms of x. That's why resub now. Resubstitute. A is equal to what? This. X minus 5. X minus 5 minus 8. Bracket close. Here also x minus 5 plus 3. Bracket close. Is equal to minus 5 minus 8 minus 13. And here x minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. And these are the factors of this polynomial. Example number 3. X square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. Now if you observe here, these are same terms, x square minus 6x. Therefore put there any other variable. Put x square minus 6x is equal to a. Then what do we get? Here a square minus 8 in bracket a plus 8 minus 64 is equal to a square minus, now here multiply 8a minus 64 minus 64. Correct? 8 into 8, 8a minus plus minus 8 is 64, this 64. Correct? Is equal to a square minus 8a, now here minus 128. And we want factors of this now. Factors of minus 128. We want such two factors whose difference should be minus 8. Now let's see the factors. 128 ones are 64 twos are. If we divide by, now not divisible by 3 because 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. By 4, 4 3s are, 4 2s are, 16 8s are. 16 8s are 128. Middle term sign due to the bigger factor minus here. Product is negative, that's why sign here sign will be opposite of this. Opposite means plus. Now let's see subtraction here. Minus 127 minus 62 minus 28 minus 8. What is our middle term? Minus 8. Means this is the correct variable. Variable is a. Okay? Is equal to a square minus. Now replace middle term by these two factors. Minus 16a plus 8a minus 128. Third term as it is. After that grouping. After grouping common out. What is common here? A. In bracket a minus 16 uncommon. Plus here 8 common in bracket a minus 16. What is common bracket? A minus 16 uncommon a plus 8. Now resubstitute because we want answer in variable x, therefore resub means here again x square minus 6x minus 16 x square minus 6x plus 8. We have to factorize here again. Now here first bracket is x square minus 6x minus 16. We want factors of this. Here first term is x, last is minus 16. Therefore factors of minus 16. 16 ones are 16, 8 twos are 16. Okay? 4 fours are. These are factors. Middle term sign due to the bigger. Middle term sign due to the bigger. Product is negative, that's why opposite sign here. Let's see the subtraction. Minus 15, minus 6, here 0. What is our middle term? Minus 6. That's why this is the correct pair. Variable is x. Now right here, middle term. Replace middle term by these two. X square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. First, this is first bracket. Now second, I write here. X square minus 6x. Again factors of 8. Here 1 multiplied by 8. 8 ones are 8. Factors of 8. 8 ones are 4 twos are. That much only. Middle term minus here. Okay. Product is positive, same sign here. Then here minus 9, here minus 6. What is middle? Minus 6. These are the correct pairs. Then right here, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to, now here common. What is common here? X. Okay, here x common. What is uncommon then? X minus 8 plus here common 2, uncommon x minus 8. Box bracket I close here. Now for this, what is common here? X common, x minus 4, here minus 2, x minus 4, bracket close, is equal to. Now in both the brackets, common bracket here, x minus 8, uncommon x plus 2. Now from here, common bracket x minus 4 and uncommon x minus 2. These are factors of the polynomial. Example number 4. X square minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Which terms are same in both the brackets? These terms are same. Therefore, put x square minus 2x is equal to a. If we put here a, then what do we get? A plus 3, here a plus 3, second bracket a plus 5 minus 35. Again two brackets are there, multiply is equal to. Now what will be the expansion of this? A into a square plus 5 plus 3, 8a, addition 5 plus 3, 8a plus product of this 5 3s are 15 is equal to 35. Sorry, minus 35 is equal to a square plus 8a, and here subtraction of minus 20. This is quadratic. Now factors of minus 20, 21s are 20, 5, 10 2s are 20, 5 4s are 20. These are pairs. Middle term sign plus give to bigger. Product is opposite, negative. If product is negative, then opposite of this here. Let's see subtraction. 19, here 8, here 1. What is our middle? 8. This is the correct pair. Variable a. Now replacement. A square plus 10a. We are replacing this by this 2. Minus 2a minus 20. Grouping. What is common? A. A plus 10 uncommon. Common minus 2. Uncommon a plus 10. Sign will change because of minus sign. Common bracket a plus 10. Uncommon a minus 2. Now resub again. Resubstitute here. X square minus 2x plus 10 first bracket. X square minus 2x minus 2 second bracket. Now here we got two brackets. Here is plus 10. We don't get factors of plus 10 whose difference is minus 2. Here last term is minus 2. Here also we don't get factors of minus 2 of which difference is minus 2. That's why these two are the factors of this polynomial. We cannot solve. We can continue this example.